Hi, this is Amber from ExpressTruckTax. Today, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you to file a Form 2290 using ExpressTruckTax.com. We are the industry-leading IRS-authorized e-file provider. We are trusted by millions of owner-operators and most of the nation's top trucking companies: Snyder, Universal, Great Wide, and Mercer, just to name a few. We also work closely with the DMV offices across the country, and we can send a copy of your stamp Schedule 1 directly to these offices. You may ask, what is a 2290? The Form 2290 is filed with the IRS on a yearly basis to report on vehicles with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more. The tax year runs from July 1st through June 30th, and you must present a copy of your Schedule 1 to renew your plates each year. If you're leased, your company will require a copy of the stamp Schedule 1. Let's go to ExpressTruckTax and I'll walk you through how quick the process is. Once you are at ExpressTruckTax.com, there are two ways that you can register for an account. First, you can either enter your email and click File My 2290 Now, or you can click the orange Register button at the top of the page. On this page, you will enter in your email, password, and your contact information to create your accounts. Once you have entered in this information, click I am not a robot, and then click Create Account. Now you're in. So here, you can either choose to watch an instructional video that goes more in depth, or you can click the green Begin button. On this page, you're going to enter in your business details. It's very important that the owner name and EIN match what the IRS has on file for you. Down in the business address section, this address that is listed here needs to be able to receive mail from the IRS. And then signing authority, it would be your name, your title, and your phone number. Once you've entered in all of this information, click Create. And now you can see that your business is registered over here on the right side of your screen. The quickest way to file a Form 2290, if you are only filing for taxable or suspended vehicles, is to go to Express Filing. Here, you will be able to select the business that you've already entered. So you're going to click Existing Business, and then you're going to choose your business. So for this video, I'm going to choose Tab Trucking. And it auto-populates all of the fields that I've already entered in to my business information. So just check to make sure it's correct, and then just scroll down. Next, you'll choose the first used month. So this is the date that you put the truck on the road. So for the purpose of this video, we'll say that we put the truck on the road in July of 2017. Next, you're going to enter your VIN number. This is the full 17-digit number, and you'll want to make sure that you're entering the correct VIN number because the IRS does not check the VIN numbers. And so you'll want to make sure it's correct for when you go get your plates. If your vehicle goes under 5,000 miles, you can click here that you're filing the 2290 as suspended, which means that your vehicle will go under 5,000 miles during the tax year and you will not pay tax. However, if you go over 5,000 miles, you will need to select the taxable gross weight. This is your truck, trailer, and the maximum that you can haul. There are other options if you are a logging vehicle, which literally means you're hauling logs out of the forest. You can choose that here, and it does prorate your tax amount. And also, if you are an agricultural vehicle, you are able to go up to 7,500 miles per year without paying tax. So you can enter in multiple vehicles here, and let's say that you have one vehicle that's taxable and one vehicle that's suspended. You can add those both on the same return as long as they were put on the road in the same month. Once you're done entering your vehicles, you are going to scroll down and you'll be able to choose how you want to pay your tax. So you can enter in your bank account and routing number. If you already have an EFTPS account set up with the IRS, you can choose EFTPS. Or if you would rather mail them a check or money order, you can choose that here as well. For the purpose of this video, we will choose check or money order. And if you scroll down, you're going to click next. Step 2 is a return summary. This is going to give you the information that you just filed for. So it has your business details, it has your first use month, your taxable vehicle. If we had added suspended vehicles on the return, those would be listed here. And then it also tells us that we're filing for July 2017 and we're choosing a check or money order for the IRS payment. If you scroll down, you are going to come to our fees. So there's different features that you can add on, and lots of our truckers like to have their stamp schedule 1 mailed to them. A lot of them are waiting for their stamp schedule 1, and because we work closely with the IRS, our 2290s are accepted within about 10 to 15 minutes. So a lot of the truckers like to get a fax. You can choose to get a fax, or you can choose to receive a text message when your stamp schedule 1 is ready. We do allow you to also email additional people. So if you have, a leasing office, or if you're at a dealership and you want a copy of your stamp schedule 1 to go to them, you can enter their email address here, and then they would receive a copy of your stamp schedule 1 as well. Once you've selected the features that you would like to add, you're going to scroll down and you're going to enter the credit card information for our fees. After you've entered your card information, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to come to the point where we transmit the return to the IRS. It will ask you to enter a 5-digit PIN. This is to verify that you are a person. You can use any 5 digits except for all zeros, and you do not need to remember this number. A lot of our clients use their zip code. And then you're going to click the green button that says transmit to the IRS. After you file the 2290, you will get a confirmation, and it looks just like this. We do give you one more opportunity to forward your stamp schedule 1 onto anybody who needs it. For example, if you're leased onto a company, you have one more chance here to enter in their name, their phone number, and their email address, and we will send a copy of the stamp schedule 1 directly to them so that you don't have to worry about it. And then down here, after you file with ExpressTruckTax and you realize how quick and easy it is and how great our support is, if you do have any questions, we want you to share us with your friends. So you have an opportunity to enter in their name, phone number, or email address, and then send them an email and let them know about us. So again, I do want to let you know about our awesome customer service. We are in the office Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and we offer phone, email, and live chat. So if you have any questions and you're on our website, there is a section to live chat with us, and one of our awesome team members will be there to answer any questions that you have. If you prefer to call in, we do that as well. So you can call us at 704-234-6005. And then if it's after hours, we do provide after hour email support. So you can always email us at support@expresstrucktax.com. Any of these methods work to get a hold of us, and we're always here and willing to help you if you have any questions.